that. But the thing is that today's class is based on, past indefinite, tense. Okay, we have
So which tense?
past
Which
indefinite
tense, sir?
tense. Past indefinite.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we have write this.
If you want to write down, you can, but first of all, you should understand. I am making the video also, so no need to write. You can watch a video later on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
I have taught you all the past indefinite tense, and you have worked also. But today I'm going to tell you about the part of past indefinite, that is compulsion. Okay, the compulsion part you did in the present tense also, present indefinite also. Here compulsion means pada. जब हमारे sentences में आता है मुझे ये काम करना पड़ा, मुझे वहां जाना पड़ा, मुझे उसकी बात सुननी पड़ी. So it is called pada. The compulsion in Hindi it is pada. और इसकी English क्या है? Had to. Had to plus verb first form. Okay, had to plus verb first form. Okay, जैसे हमारा सेंटेंस होता है कि मुझे खाना खाना पड़ा. I had to eat food.
I had to eat.
Okay, I had to eat food. मुझे उसकी बदतमीजियों को सहन करना पड़ा.
सहन को क्या कहते हैं?
I had to tolerate or bear. Yes, we can say tolerate also, and we can say bear also. Okay,
Yes.
the pronunciation is bear. I had to tolerate or bear his what I had to tolerate his
rubbish.
nonsenses also. Okay, and rubbish talks also we can say बेकार की बातें. So rubbish talks. Okay, this way around you can use. So this is about had to. Okay, I repeat again. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस का दूसरा पार्ट है पढ़ा. मुझे वहां जाना पड़ा, मुझे खाना खाना पड़ा, मुझे उससे बातचीत करनी पड़ी, मुझे उसका इंतजार करना पड़ा. ये सब सेंटेंसेस जो हैं वो हमारे कंपल्शन के हैं कि हमें कंपल्शन में ये काम करना पड़ा, मजबूरी में. कंपल्शन मींस मजबूरी. ओके, सो हैड टू प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म का यूज करते हैं हम इसमें. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वी मेक. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इट. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज दिस पार्ट एंड नाउ वी कम ऑन टू द
Yes.
rules. Everybody knows about rules, how to make rules, so I would not go for detail in this kind of rules. But I want to tell you, it is had to plus verb first form, right? First thing. And whenever we use did or didn't or didn't, we use have to. I want to tell you again, whenever we use did or didn't, we use have to plus verb first form. Okay, is that clear to all of you? So with applying these two rules, you can work on the compulsion part. Majburi, that is in past indefinite tense. Mujhe khana khana pada. So we make sentences. Okay, let's practice and you would learn. Do I need to write down the rules also? What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Do you want rules? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, then I write, but some students are saying that yes, sir. So I write down the rules. Okay, everybody.
Sir.
First rule, subject
Okay, sir.
plus had to plus verb first form plus object. Okay.
पढ़ा. मुझे नहाना पड़ा. I had to take bath. First word सबसे पहले
Mute yourself. Mute yourself, everybody, please. Nisha, you have numbers of 5.
Sir, actually, my daughter was asking something and I forget that I am unmuted. And sorry, I really apologize.
Okay. So first rule, subject plus had to plus verb first form plus object. Second rule is subject plus didn't. Okay, as negative case, didn't. Then I have told you with did and didn't we use only have to plus verb first form plus object. Okay, मुझे वहां नहीं जाना पड़ा. I didn't have to go there. Okay, then third rule we
Have to go there.
Okay, then third rule for the interrogative sentences, that is did plus subject plus have to plus verb first form plus object and sign of interrogation. Okay, and the fourth rule is didn't plus subject plus have to plus verb first form plus object plus sign of interrogation. And same as with the WH questions, as I told you, that WH questions would be used, in the third and fourth sentences rules before did and didn't. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, so this
Yes.
is all about the rules.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody. So let's practice now, making sentences. Are you ready, everybody?
Excuse me, sir, we will write them in the notebook or you will ask orally.
I will ask you orally. Okay, everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
sir.
I will ask you orally. So I want all of you turn on your camera. Okay. Please turn on your camera, all of you.